If you're into dark things such as dark mode on your Outlook, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your theme to dark mode. So let's go. So starting out on the web browser, and that's outlook.live, you want to go up to the top right hand side, you'll find a gear icon. Now once you click on this gear icon, you will see a bunch of settings. On the left hand side, you'll look for general. Now once you're in general, you'll see appearance to the right of that. Now under appearance, you will see there's dark mode. So there's light, dark, and then system settings. So whatever your system is set at, it'll use those exact settings. Now you can go ahead by clicking on dark mode over here, as well as being able to customize all of the other pieces of your theme. If you're using the Outlook app, which is installed onto your desktop, you can go up to the top left hand side and look for a file, and from here you can go all the way down to options. Once you open options, you will see a menu on the left hand side. You want to make sure that it is on general, and here you want to navigate down and you want to look for office background, where you'll be able to choose the actual background, and then office theme. So if you're using system settings and your system is on dark mode, it will be in dark mode. However, you can just click on dark gray, black, or anything else over here that will suit your needs. Black is the traditional dark mode, so once you've selected that and clicked on OK, it'll actually take effect. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a big old thumbs up, show your support, and we'll see you next time. Peace.